So yeah guys, this is Brummy Bushcraft. I just thought I'd grab a couple of hours out, Friday night, finished work. So what I've been doing is I bought this. I've been looking at like sort of keeping the shelter warm inside. And if you can see that, I've got my torch on. By the way, I fixed all that ridge at the back there, which was a bit of a mission on my own. So all this is sorted now, it's all covered. I'm going to put some seating areas in here. And all I'm working out is how I can get this in there and cover the fronts. Well, we've got a duct coming off it, but it's just not quite high enough. It needs to go through the roof. But the actual idea is working. Now, I bought this incinerator off the internet for £13 off Amazon. So I was looking at all the different camping fires and everything else, but it's really light. And it's something, if it goes missing or somebody steals it, I ain't really going to be bothered because it's only £13. So I'll probably just leave it over here. But up to now, nobody's come over here anyway. So yeah, a bit of a DIY bushcraft oven stroke stove, but the heat that's coming off it is great. I mean, look at that. So the actual top, this top here, this comes off, and there's a grill. I forgot the grill, but I've got one with me anyway that drops on top, and you can just cook off it. And then what I want to do is take that duct off, and then when we pull the sheet down the front of an ice, if we decide to do an all-nighter in here, we can just sit by the fire and just keep on putting sticks, logs in, etc. into the front there. Keep that on the top, which goes all the way up there, and it's going to be a lot warmer in here. But I can feel the heat off this already. I mean, look at it. There's some ice on that. So I've got to get this off now, guys. I'm going to put my chicken on the grill. So I'll be back to you in a little while, so I need both my hands, and I'm using the phone with me at the moment. So yeah, back in a minute guys, once I get my chicken on, start cooking it, I'll bring you back. Thanks. So yeah, got my chicken on, as you can see. Got my chicken on. There's the pooch. Hello, Hank. So yeah, got my chicken on, guys. Look, it's a bit too ferocious, that is. So what I've just done is stuck it in some foil I had and just dropped it on there. It's just half a chicken. I'll have some, and I think the dog will probably have some, but I can just keep on feeding these in as well. Look, so yeah, for what I want, I'm really happy with this. This is really going to work well. So this is my DIY bush camp stove, I suppose. There's the grill I've stuck on top. It comes with a round grill that sits on top, but I left it in the house. What I need to do is just build this up with a bit of a firewall on both sides as well. And then when I stick this back on, which I'm going to do there like that, that chicken's going to smoke in there like an oven. So yeah, looking good. Looking good. Hello. What's the matter with you? Huh? He's wanting some chicken, he's. So yeah, really chuffed with this because it's just a real cheap way of doing things. I've seen some of these stoves and they're like, what? £150, £200, £13. An incinerator off Amazon. Cut the front out. There's some feet that come with it that I'm going to probably stick the feet on. I don't know if I'm going to bother. But yeah guys, there it is. I'll probably have some burgers the weekend on this. It's pitch black outside, all dark, and there he is. Hello. You're a miserable sod today, ain't you? Huh? Why don't you come and lie on this? So yeah, we're all good. So guys, you can hear that crackling away. I've got the phone with my hands and I need to sort my chicken out, so I'll bring you back when it's cooked. Yeah, baby. That's cooking extremely well. Let's just have a look. Oh, We don't want that to burn now, do we? Well, I'm going to take that out, take that off and turn it. Yeah, that's just the job. So yeah guys, really happy with this because got no smoke inside the shelter now. Completely smokeless. I haven't even got the lid on. It's burning really hot. And all I have to do is just pop that lid on. Oops a daisy. Let's just get my welder's glove. And there you go. And there's the chicken, all cooked. So I'm going to eat that and put myself a brew on. Right. Now to just turn this off again, like guys, because I can't do eat and hold the camera at the same time, and I haven't got my GoPro with me. Just got my phone, like I said earlier. But yeah, that's the business. And then over there, then is the duck tin. I'll drop that back on once I've had something to eat and a cup of coffee, and then I'll just keep on putting that in the front. But you're getting some real good heat off that now. Really good, really good. Look at that. It's like a furnace at the top. Right, in a minute guys. So yeah, had my chicken. Really nice. That's what's left of it. That bit on the floor. Hank's had his bit, yeah. Good lad. There you go. Just gonna have a cup of coffee, chill out for an hour, and I'm gonna make my way home. So yeah guys, just to touch on this again. So basically I've gone through the internet, I've looked at YouTube, tried to find myself a stove, stroke oven, stroke fire pit, whatever you want to call it, something that I can get inside the den, inside the lean-to, without a load of smoke. And I think I've done it. I mean, at the moment I've got that, I've just cooking me, well, just heating my water for a drink. But once that goes back on, I'm going to put the tube on the top, the duct, straight at the roof. And I can just sit here now and just feed the logs in from the bottom. So yeah, chuffed. Does the job, £13. You don't need to spend hundreds of pounds on this stuff. Just be creative. And that's it. So I think guys, I'm going to stick this up. Give us a like, thumbs up, yeah. Hit your notifications bell and subscribe for some more up and coming videos. Now I've got the lean-to pretty much finished, and the bad year that I've had is out the way. So 2019 I'm going to be doing a lot more videos, making my benches in there, and just getting it ready really for a little bit of a bit more comfort, you know, when I come over here. So yeah. So see you soon guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.